Edition of Enyimbapedia, a mathematics quiz competition for secondary schools in ABIA State. It is worthy to know that we are broadcasting live across our 3 radio stations: Enyimba 94.3 FM, About Legend 98.3, and Rolls 101.9 FM. And we are also streaming live on our Facebook pages as well. You need to know that, so you can go and watch us live on Facebook. Welcome again, and thank you for joining us. I will be your moderator for the first edition of Enyimbapedia, and my name is Mary May. I will, however, not be moderating alone. Along with me is Mr. A.K. Answer, who is a mathematics coach, and he's right here with me in the studio. Good morning to you, Mr. Answer. All right, Mr. Answer, sorry, I didn't hear you the first time. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm super excited to be part of the first edition of the Enyimbapedia Mathematics Quiz Competition. Good morning, Enyimba City.
Good morning, nice to have you. Okay, so let's talk. What are your expectations for today? You know, because the students are ready, they are okay, and I feel like they are ready to go. But what are your expectations?
Of course, I expect a brain battle show. Brain battle show. This is mathematics quiz competition. I expect speed and accuracy. I expect excellence displayed by the students. And of course, this is a quiz competition where the students are expected to also learn from it. Thank you.
Well, in case you are a student right now, I know that schools have not resumed in ABIA State, and I think it's a moment of learning for you to get close to your radio station and your radio set, and get glued and listen to us so that you can learn something from what we are doing today. Today we'll be having 10 schools participating, hence we have categorized them into groups, and they will be participating in 3 different rounds. First round is the one we are in right now, and a second round will be coming up by 1 p.m. while the third and last round for today will be by 3 p.m. And for the schools that will be slugging it out today, let's get to know the schools. In the first group, which is Group A, like I said, we've categorized them into groups. We have Bright Excellence Academy and Divine International School and Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School. And in Group B, we have Premier International School, Glorious Learning World Schools, and Rockland College. And for Group C, we have Brentfield Academy, Champions Basic Schools, Great Golden Gate International School, and Mothercare International School. All right, at this point in time, like I said, the Group A, we have 3 schools participating this morning, and their representatives are very much with us in the studio. So it's time for us to meet the representatives of the schools participating today. So from Bright Excellence Academy, we have Ezine John. Ezine John, good morning to you. You do it.
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to have you in the studio. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm very prepared.
You're very prepared.
Oh, wow.
You believe that your school, you are walking away here as winners, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's meet representatives and students from Divine International School. Chijoke Favor. Chijoke Favor, how are you doing? Good morning.
I'm doing good.
You're doing good. I want to hear that enthusiasm in your voice. I can feel it. How are you doing, Chijoke? Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm super ready.
Very ready.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And we also have Chijoke Emmanuel. This one, are you guys related? Are you siblings?
Yes. Oh, wow.
Oh, 2 brothers. Wow. Are you by chance twins?
No.
You're not, but you are siblings. That's amazing. So Chijoke Mane, how you feeling this morning?
I'm doing great this morning.
And he's your brother. So both of you have known each other like for a while, and I believe you have been working together, not just having to work together today. So I want to believe that today is not going to be an exception to both of you working together as brothers, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you're going to bring your A game.
Yes.
Because I'm sure your parents they are anticipating. Two of their children are here this morning. Okay, well anyway, okay. I need you when you are talking, when you're answering me, I need you to be loud enough because you're not talking to only me. Our listener, they are also out there listening to you. All right, so be audible enough. That would also help when you're answering questions as well. All right, let's meet Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School representatives. We have Kelvin Success. Kelvin, good morning. How are you doing? I can't seem to hear you, Kelvin.
Good morning.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You're ready for this?
Yes, I'm very confident already, and I, I'm very much ready for this mathematics competition, and I believe that my school is going to take the trophy.
You believe your school will take the trophy home?
Yes, I strongly believe that.
That's amazing. We also have Ikenna Okabam. Ikenna, how you doing?
I'm fine.
You ready for this?
Yes.
You're very sure you're ready for this?
Yes, I'm very
What class are you in, Ikenna Okabam?
SS3.
SS3.
Wow.
Okay, that's amazing. That's really amazing. All right. Well, anyway, now that we have met the representatives from this, from the three schools, Bright Excellence Academy, Divine International School, and Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School, I think another thing we need to move into is to let you know the do's and the don'ts of the competition so that you don't make mistakes, because any mistake you make can actually probably cost you, a score or two. So that would actually score you low rather than high. So I'm going to have Mr. Answer reel out the do's and the don'ts, the guidelines, the regulations, the things that are expected of all of you this morning for this competition. Mr. Answer?
Thank you very much. Please, students, you listen carefully to the rules. Rule number 1, all questions are in objective form. All questions are in objective form. So you have 20 seconds only to answer each question. You have 20 seconds only to answer each question. Rule number 2, for this set, we have 30 questions, and each school will have 10 questions to answer. We have 30 questions for this set, and each school will have 10 questions to answer. Rule number 3, before you are all the questions for this set. So when it's your turn to answer a question, you pick and let the quiz master know your question number. This is very important. Once you pick a question, you let me know your question number so that I can read the question to our audience. Rule number 4, you earn 2 marks for each question answered correctly. You earn 2 marks for each question answered correctly. And please, we don't have bonus chance here. So once you get the question wrong, we move over to the next school. But if you get the question right, you earn 2 marks. Rule number 5, when it's your turn to answer a question, you can only pick one answer from the options. You can only pick one answer from the options, and only the answer from the school captain will be accepted. Please, this is very important. Only the answer from the school captain will be accepted. Number 6, the use of non-programmable, silent, and cordless calculator is allowed. So you are free to use your calculator, but be as fast as you can. Number 7, in the case of tie, that is same score, we have extra questions here to break the ties. We have extra questions here to break the ties. And lastly, only one school from this group will qualify for the final on Wednesday. In other words, the school with the highest score will make it through to the final. Thank you very much, Mary May.
All right, thank you, Mr. Answer. Well, before we dive right in, I want to also let you know that we have the beautiful lady that will be taking down the scores this morning, seated here with us in the studio. We have Amilinda. Amilinda, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank
You're
you.
ready for this? You're beaming with smiles.
I'm ready.
You're beaming with smiles. I love
ready.
that.
I'm ready.
Okay, so let me also let you know, I don't know, but I'm sure Mr. Answer actually said that, but let me reiterate it. You just have 20 seconds to answer your question. You have 20 seconds to answer your question. So once you pick the question and Mr. Answer reads it out, your time starts after he must have finished reading your question. We have a timer here. We'll be timing you. Once it's 20 seconds, pen down. You cannot go any further. What we expect is for you to give us your answer right away. Is that understood?
Yes.
We get it right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin with the first school, Bright Excellence Academy. Can we have a representative, either Ezine John or Wabwese Nancy, come pick up your question? All right. And tell us the number so we can read it out.
Number 15.
Number what?
15.
All right.
Question number 15. The angle of a sector of a circle is 108 degrees. The angle of a sector of a circle is 108 degrees. If the radius of the circle is 3.5 cm, find the perimeter of the sector. Find the perimeter of the sector. Your time starts now.
Your time is
.3 meter long, is driven 1.4 meter into the ground. A flagpole 6.3 meter long is driven 1.4 meter into the ground. What fraction of the pole is above the ground? What fraction of the pole is above the ground? Your time starts now.
D, 7/9.
D, 7/9, correct.
all right. Okay, it's time for Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School. Calvin Success or Ikenna Oka Bam. One of you should pick a question. And we know the number.
Number 6.
Could you speak into the mic so we can hear you?
Number 6.
Number 6, all right?
Question number 6 from Sword. If square root of 18 minus square root of 72 plus 4 square root of 50 is equals to y square root of 2, find y. If square root of 18 minus square root of 72 plus 4 square root of 50 equals to y square root of 2, find y. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. All right. May we have the answer?
Quickly. Is 17. Y is 17. Correct option C.
All right. So we move back to Bright Excellence Academy. Pick a question.
Number 17.
Question number 17. Probability. A number is chosen at random from the set 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. What is the probability that the number is a multiple of 7? Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
C. 1/4.
C. 1/4. Correct.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Question number 10. In an examination, a score of 154 is 44%. In an examination, a score of 154 is 44%. What is the maximum score for the examination? What is the maximum score for the examination?
C. 350.
C. 350. Correct. Correct. I love the speed. I love the speed. Good one. Next.
Christ the King Cathedral. What number is that?
Number 19.
Question number 19. The sum of the angles of a regular polygon is 2,520 degrees. The sum of the angles of a regular polygon is 2,520 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? How many sides does the polygon have?
C. 15.
No. The answer is B. 16.
Time is up. Can we have an answer now?
7. D7.
No. The answer is A. 10 cm.
Divine International School.
64, a quick one. Find the values of R. Find the values of R for which 1 plus 3R over 1 minus 3R minus 1 minus 3R over 1 plus 3R is undefined. Find the values of R for which that expression is undefined.
Your time is up. May we have an answer now?
R equals, okay, D minus 2 or 2.
No, the correct option there is A, minus 1 over 3 or 1 over 3. You just equate the denominators equals to 0. That's it. It's a very simple thing.
All right, let's have Christ the King Cathedral pick their question. What number is that? Could you make use of your mic? You are not making use of your mic.
Number 7.
Number
Question
7.
number 7. Given that m varies inversely as square root of 2n, given that m varies inversely as square root of 2n, and m is 12 when n is equals to 8. M is 12 when n is equals to 8. Find the relationship between m and n. Find the relationship between m and n.
A, m equals to 48 all over square root of 2n.
That is 100% correct. Thank you.
We're taking it back now to Bright Excellence Academy. All right, can you pick a question? May we know the number?
Number 9.
Number 9.
Question number 9. Find the size of an interior angle of a regular nonagon. Find the size of an interior angle of a regular nonagon.
All right, your time is up. Let's have the answer.
A, 160.
No, the correct answer is D, 140 degrees. D.
Divine International School, may we know the number of the question you picked? Number 4.
Question number 4. A quick one on set theory. Given that M is a set S such that X is greater than 3 and X is an element of a natural number, and N is a set S such that X is less than 7 and X is an element of a natural number. Question is, find M intersection N. M intersection N.
C, 4, 5, and 6.
100% correct. C, 4, 5, and 6.
All right, Christ the King Cathedral, your turn to pick a question. May we know the number?
23.
Question number 23. If 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 1 and x plus 3y is equals to 11, Find the value of x plus y. 4x minus 3y equals to -1, and x plus 3y equals to 11. Find x plus y.
C5.
C5, 100% correct.
Right Excellence Academy, it's your turn to pick a question. Isn't it, John? May we know the number?
Number 11.
Question number 11. Given that sine theta is equals to 5/13, where theta is acute, find the value of cos theta minus tan theta. Sine theta equals to 5/13, theta is acute. Find the value of cos theta minus tan theta.
Your time is up. All right, baby.
B.
No, the answer is A, 79/156. 79/156.
Divine International School. Let's have the number to the question you picked.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Question number 5. John is allowed a discount of 12.5% on a dress that costs 125 naira. John is allowed a discount of 12.5% on a dress that costs 125 naira. Calculate, correct to the nearest naira, the amount paid for the dress.
Your time starts now. Your time is up. We will have the answer.
Base 109 naira. C.
C, 109 naira, correct.
Christ the King Cathedral, it's your turn to pick a question. All right, let's have the number.
Question number 16.
Number 16.
Question number 16. Find the gradient of the line 3x minus 2y equals to 6. 3x minus 2y equals to 6. The gradient. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. May we have the answer?
D, 2/3.
No, the correct answer is A, 3/2. A, 3/2.
All right, Bright Excellence Academy, it's your turn to pick a question. What's the number?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Question number 3. Indices. Given that 3 raised to power minus 1 times 27 raised to power y is equals to 9 raised to power 2y. 3 raised to power minus 1 times 27 raised to power y equals to 9 raised to power 2y. Find y. Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
Answer -2.
No, the correct answer is B, -1.
Divine International School, your turn to pick a question. What's the number?
Number 20.
Question number 20. The volume of a certain sphere is numerically equal to 4 times its surface area. The volume of a certain sphere is numerically equal to 4 times its surface area. Find the radius.
The time starts now.
Yes.
The radius is 6 cm. A.
No, the radius is 12 cm. B. It's becoming tight now.
It's getting tougher.
Yeah.
All right, Christ the King Cathedral, it's your turn to pick a question. What number is it?
Question number 28.
28. All right.
A quick one. Factorization of quadratic expression. Factorize 2x squared plus x minus 6. 2x squared plus x minus 6. Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
The answer is D. 2x. No, the answer is B.
No, the answer is C. 2x minus 3x plus 2. 2x minus 3x plus 2. Thank you.
Bright Excellence Academy, it's your turn. What number did you pick?
Number 2.
Question number 2. Number-based system. Find the sum of 243 base 5 and 14 base 5. Find the sum of 243 base 5 and 14 base 5. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Let's have the answer, please.
The answer is A.
The answer is A, correct. 312 base 5.
All right, Divine International School. This was the number of the question you picked.
Number 14.
Number 14. All right.
Question number 14 of bearing. The bearing of a point X from a point Y is 74 degrees. The bearing of a point X from a point Y is 74 degrees. What is the bearing of Y from X?
D. 254 degrees.
100% correct. Amazing.
Okay, that one took me off. I was about to play the timer when I got the answer. All right. Let's keep it coming. Christ the King Cathedral, it's time for you to pick your question. What number is that?
Number 8.
Number 8.
Question number 8. Find the gradient of the line passing through the points P1 minus 1 over 2 and Q minus 3 minus 8 whole number 1 over 2. Your time starts now.
B -2.
No, the answer is C, 2. The numerator is -8. The denominator is -4. So minus is plus. So 8 divided by 4 is 2.
All right. We take it back now to Bright Excellence Academy. Pick your question. What number did you pick?
Number 22.
Question number 22. Solve the equation -2/5 into 2x minus 3. It's an inequality anyway. -2/5 into 2x minus 3 less than -3/5 into x minus 1. -2/5 into 2x minus 3 less than -3/5 into x minus 1. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. May we have the answer, please?
The answer is S. S greater than -3.
No, the answer is B, x greater than 3.
Divine International School, what number is the question you picked?
Number 26.
26. All right.
Question number 26 on logarithm. Evaluate log 0.25 base 4. Log 0.25 base 4. Your time starts now.
D -1.
D minus 100% correct. Amazing, amazing.
Christ the King Cathedral. Let's have the number to the question you picked.
Question number 21.
21.
Question number 21, probability. The probabilities that Ade and Eze will fail an examine are 1/7 and 3/8 respectively. 1/7 and 3/8 respectively. Find the probability that only Ade will pass.
Your time starts now.
Yes.
Your time is up.
A 9/28.
A 9/28 correct.
All right, Bright Excellence Academy, pick a question. What number is the question you picked?
Number 13.
Question number 13. A rectangular tank is 80 cm long, 60 cm wide, and 50 cm high. How many liters of water can the tank hold?
A.
No, the answer is C. How many liters? You got the volume, you are supposed to divide by 1000 centimeter cube. The question is how many liters? That's mathematics for you.
Okay, let me before Divine International School, before they tell us their number, let me say this. I can understand that we are moving fast, and it's an amazing thing that even before the timer starts, timing you are able to give the answer, but you still have the timer. The timer is for you to look at the question again, cross your T's and dot your I's so that you don't make mistake. You have a timer, so maximize it. Don't be too fast, okay? So you don't make mistakes. All right, Divine International School, which number is that?
Number 25.
25.
Question number 25. If 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 1.5, find the value of sin theta plus cos theta.
The time starts now.
Yeah.
B 0.75.
100% correct. B 0.75.
Christ the King Cathedral, it's your turn to pick a question. Let's have the number.
Number 1.
Number 1, all right?
Question number 1. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order: 3/4, 3/5, and 2/3. 3/4, 3/5, and 2/3. Arrange in ascending order. Your time starts now.
The time is up. Let's have your answer.
The answer is D.
The answer is D, correct. 3/5, 2/3, and 3/4. I love the teamwork there.
Okay, I think it's good we let you know that this is the last lap. This is the deciding one right now. After this round of question, we get to know who
C, correct. The answer is letters of the alphabet.
All right, Divide International School. What number did you pick?
Number 12.
Number 12.
Question number 12. A closed cylinder has height 10 cm and diameter 7 cm. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. Take pi to be 22/7. Your time starts now.
D 394 cm squared.
Take it again.
D 394 cm squared.
No. The answer is C, 297 cm squared.
Christ the King Cathedral. What number did you pick?
Number 18.
Question number 8. ST all over RS minus ST. RST all over RS minus ST. Your time starts now.
A 20.
No. The answer is C, minus 20. You always miss your signs. Minus 20 plus 16 in the denominator is minus 4. So 80 divided by minus 4 is minus 20.
Well, we're going to embark. That's the last round for this, and we're going to embark on a short break. But there is something I want to say before we go on that break, because I just observed that the last one, Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School, both of you did not work as a team, because while the young man got the wrong answer, the lady actually got the right answer, and you gave the answer before she was able to correct you. And this is why you need to understand that you are a team. You're not working alone. No matter how much you think you know it, the reason you are a team is because no man is an island. So it's better to work together, because there are areas you would make mistake that she would catch, or that your other partner would catch. And if that mistake, once you just, because you are the captain, once you just give the answer, there is nothing, absolutely nothing the other person can do. So moving forward, take note of that so that you don't keep making that mistake. We'll go on a short break, and then when we come back, we'll continue. We finish up the first round of our mathematics quiz, Enyimbapedia. Keep listening.
Admission, admission, admission. Now the Institute of Agribusiness and Entrepreneurship, located at Umugoji Amiyi Village, Isialopo Autonomous Community, former comprehensive school, Osisioma Local Government Area, ABIA State, is
Enyimba 94.3 FM. ABIA, yes, of course, it is our first mathematics quiz competition for secondary schools in ABIA State. And if you missed out on that, that competition, that when the students were answering question, well, we are streaming live on Facebook, so you're not totally out of it. You can actually go back and watch it all over. We're streaming across the three radio stations: Enyimba 94.3 FM, Legend 98.3, and Rose 101.9 FM. So you can actually get your hands on it and watch it. But right now, we need to take feedbacks. Or feedback is time for us to do that. Let's take feedbacks from you, our listener. I want to hear from you how far you think the student did, how well you think they did. It's time for you to actually call in and let us know, because we would actually love to hear from you this morning. We know you've been listening. All right, so you can call us and let's get your thoughts. We'll also go through some messages we have on our socials this morning. 0809 6660943 or 0708 0000918. And of course, we are on WhatsApp. You can as well drop your comments for us on our WhatsApp as well. WhatsApp is 0809 6660943. Let's get your thoughts on how well you think the students they did. I think they really tried, Mr. Answer. I think they all tried their best. They trying to make sure they come up with the right answer. But in a competition, at the end of the day, I always said all of them are winners for even coming for this competition. But then at the end of the day, someone needs to emerge. That's just the thing. Someone needs to emerge at the end of the day. So let's get your thoughts this morning. You can call 0809 6660943 or 0708 0000918. All right, and we are also streaming live on Facebook, so you can also drop us your comments on Facebook as well. We would actually appreciate that if you drop us some comment on Facebook. All right, okay, let me see if I can run through some of the messages that we have on Facebook this morning, trying to get my hands on it. All right, just give me a moment. Let me get my hands on some of the messages we have on Facebook. But you can actually call in on the show. Okay, we lost that one, but keep those calls coming in. Want to get my hands on Facebook messages. Let's get your thoughts. Let's hear what you're saying to us on Facebook about their performances this morning. How well did they do? Were you impressed? Do you think that they did well? Did they actually impress you this morning? Okay, on Facebook, Amara Obike says, I like those siblings, the two mathematicians in the house. And Sunday Davis says, interesting people, keep up the good work. All right, it's Henry Bright. He says, Christ the King Cathedral, the mighty lions are here with knowledge, skill, and spirit. We banish all fear. The CKC, the dynasty of excellence, we reign supreme. These messages, we are taking it from Enyimba page. All right, and Nkem Nocherem Macedonius Nwanko says, Divine International School, all the best, moving forward to the final stage. Almighty mathematician are in the studio this afternoon. Kudos. And Johnson Aze says right, okay. He says it's better your timer is up, then you answer correctly than to answer why the timer is still counting and you answer wrongly, just like I told you. All right, and Mitchell Jenny says, CKC my cathedral, kudos. All right, Ahokan Maxwell Nwokoma is saying congratulations to Enyimba FM, and Winner Watch be saying, Sir AK answer, I like you. You already have a fan here. Mr. Answer, you already have a fan. All right, Franklin Paul says,
thank you very much.
You are doing well. I'm still watching. And Ngabo Phillips says, you are Enyimba FM, you are selflessly setting the pace for others to follow. Keep it up. Best of luck to the contestants. All right. Deborah Proms is saying, wow, I love this. And Obuyi Kim Love It Chipurime says, go ahead, my great, bright, excellent academy. Wish you success. Please make me proud. I love Sir Bright, I love you, Sir Bright, and my champs. All right. Okay, we also have a few more messages on WhatsApp. So let's see if we can take them. And then we give you the results for the first round of Enyimbapedia for today. Don't forget that the second round will be coming up by 1 p.m. today. And the third round will be by 3 p.m. All right. This one says, this is Michael. The competition is cool and the children are trying. They don't keep to time like they are not time conscious. To me, I would say they are more of relaxed and they don't see it as a competition. Kudos to Enyimba FM. This one says, wow, Enyimba FM, I commend Enyimba FM for this. These children are superb. We are the okay, were they given the question to solve before this quiz competition? No. That's then if they were, it wouldn't be a competition anymore. Okay, so because I'm amazed at their speed. Okay, no, they were not giving the questions before time. Papa Ejima from Togo says the show is interesting. All right. Okay, now we don't do second chances. All right, good morning, radio presenters in the studio. I'm in Jinajo, presenting Asumabed. I appreciate them all. Jim Tony from Maria Johnson says it was a great quiz. All of them tried. I'm disappointed with the performance of Bright Excellence Academy. They started well, but they couldn't finish well. Well, great kudos to amazing siblings from Divine School. They are super. All right, and this one says, my name is Ability Ibanga. Divine International School is doing a great job. Well, this is the moment that we all are waiting for. Normally, I would have said, drum roll. Where we get to get the results. So let's talk to our what do I call our, is it our scorer now? Ami Linda, are you ready with the results? Are the results?
I'm ready.
All right, let's have the results. Let's have the results.
I want to say congratulations to everyone. I saw all the effort you put into to get the work done, and at the end of the day, there has to be a winner. Okay, Bright Excellence Academy came up with a total score of 8.
Well, let me appreciate Amelinda for making sure that she got the scores very well. Thank you so much for that, because I wasn't keeping tab with the scores. My own is just to be putting time check and everything. Okay, well, at the end of the quiz this morning, Bright Excellence Academy actually they came up with at the end of the whole questions you answer, you came up with your score is 8. All right. I would actually give let's give them a round of applause. It's not easy. All right. And then Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School. At the end of the day, you came up with 8 as your total score. So there is a tie between Bright Excellence Academy and Christ the King Cathedral, but then we are just looking for just one school to emerge today. And then at the end of the quiz, Divine International School, who are the winners for today for this first round of Enyimbapedia, they came up with 12 as their total score. Well, quickly, let me say congratulations to Divine International School. All right, congratulations to you. But it's time for me to talk to the student from Divine International. They're siblings. They're not just students. They're siblings from Divine International School. I really want to talk to both of you, Chijoke Favor and Chijoke Emmanuel. Favor, how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
You feel good. You are all smiles. You did it with your brother, right?
Yes.
And Emmanuel, how do you feel? I can't hear you. I need you to speak into the mic. All right?
I'm feeling very happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
You work together with your sister, and both of you were able to. So let me ask you a question. Is this something that both of you used to do together at home? Two of you used to solve maths together and things like that. You used to work on class work. Are both of you in the same class? What class is that? Yeah, presently now. You're going to SS3. Oh, wow, that's nice. Congratulations to Divine International School. And we have come to the end of the first round of our mathematics competition, Enyimbapedia. Don't forget, 1 p.m. is going to be the time for the second round. And by that 1 p.m., we'll be having 3 other schools here, all right? Let me get your mind ready for the 3 other schools we'll be having for by 1 p.m. today. So they are in Group B. We'll be having Premier International School, Glorious Learning World Schools, and Rockland College. They will be here by 1 p.m. to also compete and slug it out. All right, thank you so much for listening and for doing this with us. Don't forget, second round, 1 p.m. Mary May will still be here with Mr. AK Answer. Thank you so much for listening.